Transformative Tastes, today's episode, Exploring Jamaican Cuisine, immerses us in the flavorful world of Jamaica. Experience the unique tastes and culinary traditions of this vibrant culture. Discover the art of jerk cooking, a Jamaican tradition. We delve into its origins, key ingredients like allspice and Scotch bonnet peppers, and its most famous dish, jerk chicken, known for its spicy, smoky flavor. Next, we explore Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. Learn about ackee, a unique fruit, and how it's safely prepared with salted cod for a savory, hearty meal. Curry goat, a celebratory dish, blends the island's love for spices with tender, flavorful goat meat. We'll show you how to achieve the perfect balance of spice and tenderness in this beloved dish. Jamaican cuisine offers a feast for the senses. Thanks for joining Transformative Tastes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more culinary cultures with us. Thanks for watching.